Hey guys, it's me, Simone. Gosh, Daddy on. And I have a little small haul here. I told you I had like 2 more hauls coming in that are craft related that I got during the holidays, and here they are. This is my Sizzix haul. I doesn't say anything. Yeah. So I don't know when I purchased this. It was a while ago. Yeah, it's been like a few weeks. So I'm gonna show you basically what I got. They had a clearance, really good prices, and you know me, this is basically the time where I put our money aside and get my clearance items, and then I kind of just coasted throughout the year with getting little bits and pieces. So I got this thinlet die here, and this is an embroidery hoop. I thought it'd be cute to have this and to stamp on this and make cute little decor pieces like that, to like make it seem so like what I want to do with this is maybe stamp out words on here and then you can maybe go through with some thread into the letters. That'd be cool. I got this 3D in texture impressions, and this one is called Doily. Can y'all see that? I'm sure I can kind of see the image. I love my 3D embossing folders, even though I struggle so hard trying to figure out how to run them through my machine. Okay, I've been doing it wrong then. I was wondering like how. Okay, I'm breaking my machine. Yeah, I've been doing it wrong. So with 3D embossing folders, okay. There we go. I got it now. I knew it was something, but I was wondering what tab it was supposed to be on. I'm breaking my machine. Alright. Moving on. I got these thinlets. These were released, I think, last year, right? I don't know, they released so much. And this is festive repeat. So basically with these dies is you can repeat the same pattern over. They're like made in a way that you can repeat the pattern over and over again. Now, like craziness, this is my first time actually buying Sizzix dies. I don't, because they're expensive. So basically, let me show you something. If y'all can see my order sheet here. So you see there's the die cut part and these open metal parts. So what you do is you'll cut it out, and then you can line this open part on the other side and keep cutting, and it'll be all evenly spaced out, which is pretty cool. Now you can easily do something like this on your, like if you have a electric die cutting machine, like a like a oh my gosh, like a Cricut. Yeah, Cricut. Yeah, Cricut. Not Cricut. I don't know what I'm saying. Like your Silhouette or something. I don't know what I'm thinking of, guys. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. I got this die, and this is a what's it called here? It says Doodles Art 2. They have 2 of these, and basically this one doesn't cut out a line. It just basically cuts into the paper. So you can use this design and cut into the paper. It doesn't have a cut edge on the outside, so you can, in theory, move this over and have this big sheet of paper that's cut out like this, which is pretty cool. Okay, and then of course Sizzix always comes with these protectors, which I don't know if I'm going to really use those, because even though I'm not the biggest crazy person on consistency, all my other dies are in different containers. Then I got my first set. Are y'all excited? Of the thinlet alphanumeric tiny type uppers. I've been wanting the alphanumeric tiny text for a long time. So basically this comes with multiples of this each letter, so you can easily make a full word on your page and not have to sit here and like put these 3 dies and then cut it and then come back and move them and cut it. You can just cut them all through because you get multiple of each letter. And these are 3/8 of an inch tall, which I've been wanting these for a while, and clearance prices is the best prices. So you'll see how tiny they are. They're pretty small, but this is some good tiny text right here. This is good for and come in a little pouch too, so they don't fall out. But y'all can see how tiny they are. They're like, you can cut these and put them on your nail. Ah, there's an idea. But I thought these were so pretty to make cute little banners. You can cut these into banners and make your own little cute banners and embellishments. So we'll play with those. So, and these are great if he mentions this all the time, but these are the best time to get the sticky sheets that he offers. It'll be easier to line them up, to have a sticky sheet or have a magnetic plate. Next I have is this thin lead Alpines die. I remember he came out with this one and I really wanted it at the time. This had to be, was this last year he came out with this? And I made a video, I think this is 2019. I did a project with y'all, a Christmas project, because I really wanted these, but I wasn't gonna pay the price for these, and so I wanted to do a mountain scene. I made some little wall art with y'all. I think it was last year. I really wanted this set, but I wasn't paying the price point for it. But it's just the base of the Alpines. This is gonna be some cool. I'm doing some 3D projects this year too. I'm really excited. I definitely can see us making a nice 3D scene with this, and it comes with trees and everything. So it comes with the base pieces, I guess, of your mountain, right? If I'm looking at this right. And then it comes with the layering pieces that you will use. Yeah, these are the layering pieces you will use on your mountain to add the shadow and the depth and stuff. Does it tell you anything? I'm not going to write things on here. Okay. It just didn't get some indented with the name. I love this one. And most these dies were like $5, $3, $4.50. Like, I don't think I paid more than $6 for one of these dies. And if you know Tim Holtz, you know his dies are expensive. Well, you know Sizzix are expensive. Expensive to me. Oh, I'm gonna lose a tree. If you don't know by now. This is how I make crafting affordable. I just wait. I know eventually it's gonna go on sale, and I'm not in any rush. If I have my eye on something, I will get it eventually when it goes on sale. Then I have this one, which is called the Wreath and Snowflake. And it just has a wreath and a snowflake with a bow. And little berries that you can cut out. Which this is gorgeous. I love wreaths. I do. Y'all saw me make a wreath ornament that I posted real late. But y'all know why I posted that video late. I told y'all. But they're really pretty. The one thing, I don't know, I just started noticing this. Their dies are kind of thin. Their dies are really thin. Each company does differently. Because you see some dies are like real thick. Another die, they bend so easily. Okay. Then I have these, which are more 3D embossing folders. What do you guys expect? I have this one, which is called the Folk Art Pattern. Can y'all see that? Yeah, you can see that. Cute. It reminds me of a sweater. That's why I got it. It reminds me of a sweater. This would be cute to like cut out a sweater on like my is it cricket? Yeah, cricket. Cry cut. Create. Cut. Yeah. I was saying right. I don't know why I keep thinking I was saying it wrong. You know what? It's because I was visualizing the word cricket. I mean, that's not it. Ah! Oh, I can't. Don't look at me, guys. Don't look at me. All right, sorry. But you can use your silhouette or whatever, your brother's can and cut out or if you have a sweater die, I don't, and cut out a sweater die and then emboss it with this folder. Would be cute. Have this other one, and this one is called the Geometric Lattice. So pretty, so pretty. This would be so cute on just a simple card, or to use this as like a nice texture backdrop on a picture that you make, a little art frame. And you just cut this out multiple times. Cut it out, emboss it multiple times, put it in a frame, and then put like a you can put a name in there, or like welcome home, whoever. I think it'd be so cute, or some flowers. Then I have the lowercase ones, and these are 4 inch tall, and these are alphanumeric tiny type lower. So I have the upper ones and I have the lower ones for these. And I'm telling you, these are cheap. Like, why they be expensive? I don't know why they be so expensive. So I got the lower ones too, and it comes with all the little symbols and everything for you. So making some little banners. I'm excited about this one. Oh, I'm excited about this. So I got this reindeer. That's just the name of it. Yeah, all these say 2000. All these have the trademark of 2019. So they're going on like 2 years old now, or just actually they just hit a year. And I remember this came out. Gosh, like, it's crazy. But I got this because I thought it'd be so cute to make ornaments with this. Make some cute chipboard ornaments with this. Or another idea I have, which I'm gonna make with y'all, is to make a cute 3D merry-go-round. I've been wanting to do that when I had this and make it Christmas themed. So it's like deers instead for horses, unicorns. Horses or unicorns, it depends where you go. So I thought that'd be cute to do that. We're gonna do that now. We're not gonna wait until Christmas. We'll make that project or start working on it now. That's the idea I had with this. I was so excited for it to come in the mail. I was like, yes, come in the mail, come in the mail. And this is the big one. This is the Biggs L. I'm excited for this one. And the only reason I got this one too is because I was Christmas ornaments. I think it'd be so cool to make some good cute Christmas ornaments with this. Cut out some thin chipboard, not too thick. I think that'd be so cute. Make some ornaments. Like, take this with your family, like cut a bunch of these out, go to your family's house and make ornaments. Have some glitter, paper, everything ready to go, and make your own little family ornaments. Oh my gosh, I thought it'd be so much fun. And does this have a name, or just call it Star Bright 3D. And this is, you can tell it's a little old because the designing. Yeah, this is 2012 is the trademark on this. So yeah, I can tell by the packaging because he doesn't do his packaging like that too much anymore. Okay, right now I'm just being nosy because I hear a lot of people talk about certain things and I just like hearing them. Okay, it's like an off topic, but the video is over. But I don't know, I like seeing what companies make their products in China and which ones don't, because I don't know, you hear a lot of designers rave about the made in United States thing. I don't really care. Good quality is good quality regardless where it's made. Japan, Korea, I don't care. And so I just want to see. I've not had a Sizzix die. Why would I have any Sizzix dies? And so I wanted to see where they were made, because I know my Spellbinders dies were made in China. Because I looked, I wanted to see. And some of my LDRS dies were made in China. I think they've changed that now. I think now they're made in the United States. But the pink ones I had, all the packaging said made in China. I just like seeing which ones are and aren't, just because of price point. And then I don't know, for me, I feel like the ones that are made in China are the ones you see more often on like eBay or AliExpress. like the dupes and the knockoffs and the copycats. Because I almost every time, without fail, every time Sizzix does a release, I will start seeing their dyes on AliExpress from random sellers. Every release, I can tell he's about to come out release because I'll start seeing new Tim Holtz-esque dyes start popping up on AliExpress when I'm going to get my Alina Cuddle items. So I mean I could have had this dye by now. Well, it would have been steel roll dye. It would have been a thin dye, but I actually almost got this from AliExpress. Actually, to be honest with you, but I really do want a steel roll dye too. I mean, I might. There's not really no point getting a thin. Well, there is a point getting a thin one. Getting a thin one, I can run it through all my machines. This can only run through 2 of my machines, so there's a kind of a point. But for the price point, though, so I'm not complaining. I'm getting really into like thick steel roll dyes. I don't, especially since they become more affordable. I don't know. I kind of feel like I won't say they're phasing out, but I don't know if many companies are really pushing for them so much anymore. Because I just feel like they've been going on sale a lot more lately than they used to. That's just me. But I can not imagine a time where I could find Tim Holtz steel roll dyes for the price I'm paying for them now. Like, especially the other ones I have, like my Spellbinders ones. My Spellbinder ones, these are huge. These are 8.5 by 11 ones, and these were around the same price as this one. $5-6. Like, I haven't paid more than $7 maybe for my steel roll dyes. Knocked off my glue gun. So it always has to fall every time. Yeah, like $6-7. It's just crazy because these things are like 30, 50, 60, 70 bucks because there's still a little mechanic in them. Wow. Okay, that's it. I'm just like jabbering on now. Like seeing the copyright dates on these and everything. That's what interests me a lot, to see these things. And most of these are 2019. And they some of these are Christmas themed, so I feel like some of these would have been released in that way, because I know Sizzix says, like, is it 3 chapters or 4 chapters? I can't remember. I don't know how many chapters. I think is it 3 or 4 chapters they do each year, and they might be released close to the last chapters of 2019, because I just remember seeing these like not even yesterday. But that's it. I'm just jabbering on now. I will talk to y'all later. Look up for my project. Well, most likely start working on some of these things. I definitely want to start working on this thing. I've been waiting for it to come, and then make that wall art I want to make with the flowers. But I have other 3 projects I want to make with y'all too, because I want to make some more decor pieces. I've been playing with that. I like making decor pieces. Well, yeah, that, and I like to make things that are not just cards. Like, you just get, I mean, like, yeah, I can make cards with all of these, but I kind of want to push the limits. Like, go outside of just the 2D, the flat die, and make it 3D even if it's not. So we'll take that bit by bit. But I'm gonna go eat, I guess. And I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a great day, and get crafty. Much love. Bye.